So I'm here at Discount Tire in Linden, Utah, and it's time to put some new tires on the Jeep. If you remember, we actually got these tires used on KSL, a website here in Utah, and picked up the full set of 4 for, I believe it was $300. We expected them to last through the summer, to the end of the summer, and then we figured we'd be getting new ones. Well, here it is actually almost 6 months past that. It's February of 2019. And we're gonna take a look at how much these tires have worn since we first got them. You can see these tires are getting pretty thin, okay? Not a lot of tread left in them. Not that much different from when we got them. It feels like it actually lasted pretty well. The back tires are even in better shape. You know, there's still a little bit of tread depth there. We also have this spare tire here, which is actually a brand new tire. It's never been driven on. We got this to make sure that we had some coverage on the trail. If something went wrong, we would have a backup. It's always smart to have a spare tire. But because this is brand new, we're gonna rotate this into service, and we'll take the best tire of the used tires and make that our spare. That'll save us a little bit of coin and allow us to be able to give one of the other worn out tires, probably this one over here, to our buddy Ryan, who's currently not running a spare at all. Before we can give my buddy Ryan our extra tire for his spare, we gotta go home and get his rim. So here he comes now. Let's hop in the Jeep. Hey, what's up?
Hey, it's tire time.
Yeah. So my buddy Ryan just showed up. We gave his spare over here to the guys here at Discount. They are gonna get working on it. And while we're waiting for that, we're gonna head over to Home Depot and do a little shopping for tools. Men need tools. It's like Christmas time in here. So Ryan, next tool, what's it gonna be?
Down here, 21 and 22 ratcheting.
Look at that.
Look at that.
What would you use those for? I know,
Jeep
that's funny.
stuff. Come on.
Next time. For me, it's a small set. Something like this. I don't have a small set. I've got a big 1/2-inch drive set. I need something small. Well, it's all done. Brand new K02s on the Recon, and it looks fantastic. Don't you love new tires on a Jeep? Yeah, this tread's gonna do a lot better in Moab in a couple weeks. Should be pretty awesome. Looking forward to feeling how quiet they are on the road. This isn't anything new. We're used to using these. You know, this is probably my 5th or 6th set. First brand new set on this particular Jeep, but we've had lots of these. So next, I suppose it's time to go get a car wash. Maybe get some of this salt off. Do you got new tires on your Jeep? Love to hear it. Put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.